There's really a leaf tornado forming here on here, I guess. That's where, what is it? What is that? I think there's one over here. Is there one forming? I don't see one. And maybe I could just wait until winds could produce one. Oh, I'll just go from here. No. Look again? No. I'm gonna kind of click on some on the camera. I hope so, but... What was it? I think this actually will form here. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! Is it actually a power forming here? Is it just like... Ooh, look at that! Is it... Wait, where is it? Hold on, this one. Look at that. Is it this one? That was not a leaf tornado. Oh gosh. Well, I could still... What was that? What was that? I think I just saw it right there. Actually, just saw it right there for me. It's... Nope. I guess it's the only other one's for me right now. Well, see you later, I guess.